Hello, my name is Raina Bennett. I'm the Executive Director of St. Joseph's Helpers. We are a nonprofit organization founded on Christian values, composed of men and women who volunteer their time and talents to provide those in need with basic home maintenance and repair.
I've been reaching out to lots of places, and you are the only people that have helped me. Thank you, St. Joe's Helpers.
And I called St. Joseph's Helpers, and I have to go up the stairs, and I have to hold on to the house. I have to put my hands up in order to get up my stairs. So it was a good idea for me to have the railings here. So.
Company. They were wonderful. They were God, give me the strength to explain. I couldn't shower unless my daughter was here.
It's really nasty. It's so old and broken that it was filled with mold. And I had to use a bottle brush and bleach and run lots of water to get it to drain every couple days. So now I don't have to do all that.
Some other projects could include lawn cleanup, installing railings, minor plumbing, and electrical.
I had outlets that didn't work and some electrical problems. It's very difficult to find good people to screen, and it's most difficult for small jobs because they don't want to be bothered with it. So when I heard about them, I was so grateful, and I thank them for doing this because I thought there was how important a need this is for me and for others. Until I was in that situation, I didn't know how tremendously people would need their services.
Helping people that cannot help themselves, possibly need a little bit of reassurance that things can be fixed for them.
I was drafted into the 1st Air Cavalry, 2nd Brigade, served as an infantryman in Vietnam. Very weak ever since, and I have a lot of fall risk at my house, up and down my stairs because I've tripped over them before. I have osteoporosis and I break bones in my body. It was excellent. Professional, organized, and I couldn't say any more nice things about it.
We can help to keep our communities safe and independent in their homes. Please visit our website at sjhelpers.org for more information.